Hi guys, it's Nikki and Watson, although I don't think you can see him right now, but we are here because it's Stitch Fix Day. Okay, here it is. We found this when we got back. Yesterday we went to my parents to celebrate Thanksgiving, and that is why Watson is exhausted right now. He was at doggy daycare and that completely exhausts him. So hopefully we can get him to wake up for the try-ons, but here is the box, and it was a little damp on my porch yesterday, but not too bad. So for those of you who have not watched me before, I am a stylist for Stitch Fix. I did these videos before I was a stylist for Stitch Fix, but I like to continue to do them because for me, at least, as a customer, I love to see the clothes on other people. So that's the reason why I like to do this. So return envelope, style card price sheet. We'll look at those later. I never like to look at the prices until after. Okay, so I did fix myself this time. I have not seen these pieces. I didn't peek again. And so let's just jump right in. Okay, the first item is pretty boring, but this is this white V-neck t-shirt, and it is made by Market and Spruce, and it's called Trumer Knit Top. Some of you may have received this. It's just so soft. It's just a really nice soft V-neck shirt. It looks kind of small, so I guess we'll see, and I think it is an extra small, but just a basic and something I need. So I did. See, remember, I think I said in one of my earlier videos that I needed to order the basics. I am very responsibly doing so. Okay, the next item is, this is a Madison Lily, I think it's Yana pullover. I don't know if you guys can see this very well, but it's kind of a longer length sweater, definitely a see-through sort of top, kind of boho looking, and this probably will require some kind of a tank underneath it, but I think it's really cute, and this one is in a size small. Okay, this one, it's hard to see, but I don't know if you guys recall, I got the gray off the shoulder sweater, gosh, it was probably last spring, and so here is the black one. This one is by Sophie Rue, and I think it's called the Arwen off the shoulder sweater, and the gray one is not even my best color. I think I've mentioned that before, but I love the fact that you can wear it off one or both shoulders, and I a lot of times will just wear a tank top, so I don't even have to mess with the strapless bra. So I'm excited to see how this one fits. I think this is an extra small, and the one I own is a small, so we'll see the difference there. Next, of course, and how sad there's no shoes in this fix too, but maybe next one. Pair of jeans, and I can't remember. These ones are the Carrie Distressed Girlfriend jean, and they are made by ID23, and they're just, again, I think I like a girlfriend more than a boyfriend in terms of like a relaxed fit. So I'm gonna try these on, but we'll see. Sometimes, well, we'll just see. Try those on. Last but not least, I picked out for myself, I'm sure it's shocking some of you, and again, I realize that I have kind of an issue, so another moto jacket, and this one is purple, and I just really like this color. So I don't know if you guys can totally see it, but I will try it on, and I was so excited when I saw this in inventory because I really needed a purple one. I'm really running out of colors. So that's everything. Hopefully Watson will wake up and we will do the try-on and come back, sit down, and go through the prices. Okay, so this is the white V-neck t-shirt and the jeans. So I'll first talk about the shirt. Obviously it has this very clear line down the center of it, but if you can ignore that, it's a really nice shirt. It's very soft. I think it fits really well. It actually has these like darts in back. I don't know if you guys can kind of see those, but it makes it fit pretty comfortably, and even though this is a little tighter than I would like it, I feel like the shape of this helps. So anyway, I know this is just a plain white t-shirt, but I love it and I will wear it so frequently. And so then here are the pants. And I really, really like these jeans a lot. They're very comfortable. They're a little looser than your typical skinny jeans. This is how they look. My one issue, just trying to see if I can see it, there's a pretty big gap. So I don't know is if these stretch out too much yet. So I'm gonna have to figure that piece out, but it feels like if I wear a belt, and in fact I'll put one on, that these might work. So let me know your thoughts on these too, but I just think they're really comfortable. They're something that I needed. I wanted a little bit of a darker wash. I would like a pair with less distressing because it is so cold here already. But anyway, here they are. And I'm actually just gonna grab that jacket and throw it on over this. Okay, so I just threw on this jacket. So I really, really like the color, but now that I'm looking in the mirror, I feel like, sorry, how can I do this? It's loose. It's like fitting me kind of loosely. I don't know if you guys can kind of see that, but it feels like it's like sticking out. And maybe this is a small, I suppose I could size down, but what do you think of these like things on the shoulders? I don't know, it fits differently than some of my other moto jackets, so I'm just trying to figure out, yeah, like what is this? I don't know, it's kind of like, I think it just might be too big. Anyway, okay, anyway, this is a nice jacket. I love the color of it. I love the style of it. I don't think it has too many zippers. That's one of my issues. These jackets have so many, and yeah, I do like this one, but I am not sure at all about the fit. So I'm gonna have to go ask my family about this one too, because I'm just not sure. I think it definitely would have to be smaller if I were to keep it, but I'm not quite sure if these things on the shoulders. This is my favorite piece in the fix before, but once I tried it on, I'm not so sure. But anyway, I have those two other things to try on, and I'll be back. Okay, so this is the black off the shoulder sweater, and again, I have this same sweater in gray, so I've seen it before. I tend to wear mine with one shoulder showing, pointing the wrong way. But this also, and the other way I do it is I do wear a tank top or a cami so that I don't have to deal with the strapless bra, because I just can't do that anymore. And it's so sad because there's so many cute off the shoulder shirts, but unless they're something like a sweater or they have a really thick top area, it just doesn't work. It just doesn't work. So anyway, we might have to cut out some of that because that's not even relevant. But my point is, I like this sweater a lot. It's super comfortable. It's got the longer sleeves, which I do this all the time because I'm always cold. You can just wear it up, I guess, like a crazy person. If you don't want to have it off your shoulders, it's super comfy and I like it a lot. So here it is. And I'm probably keeping this one. Okay, watch out. Okay, so this is the sweater, and this is the kind of see-through one. So if you guys can tell, I have actually just a black tank top underneath it. But this is how long it is. I mean, it's pretty long, which I do like. I like a lot for leggings, and if I were to dress it up, I would probably wear something like this, but more frequently, I would probably wear it with just regular black leggings and tall boots. So I do like this sweater, but look at it from like straight on, like, does it look a little boxy? I think it's because I'm used to like a V-neck or kind of a different neckline. I'm just curious about that. And then I do like the back, and you can see it has like the slits on the sides, which if I'm gonna have a longer sweater, I really like to have those, especially being a shorter person. It just helps give you a little bit more height, I guess I would say. So anyway, I like this one, but I would love your feedback on just kind of the front of it and how you think this looks on me. It's really comfortable, and I could also wear a long sleeve tee under it, so pretty sure I'm keeping this one. Okay guys, so I finished the try on, and I had to finish this video supporting my favorite team, and obviously my favorite player ever on that team. So starting with this, all right, this white V-neck shirt with the little darts in the back, which I love. Totally keeping this one. This one again is by Market & Spruce. It's called a Trumer knit top in an extra small, $28. So not too bad. I mean, I could pay less for a white t-shirt, but that's a good quality shirt. Next are the jeans. These are the Carrie Distressed Girlfriend jeans made by ID23. These are a size 0, $68. You guys saw they were they had a gap in the waist, but they're so comfortable everywhere else. I'm thinking about keeping them, but I'd like feedback on these because I'm not certain. And they do work with a belt. I did try them with a belt after that, and they do work, but I don't know, let me know. Next is the black off-the-shoulder pullover, and I am keeping this one because I like it, and I already have one like it, and I like this color. Of course, black draws more lint. Luckily, my dog is black. Thanks, Watson. Next is this sweater by Madison and Lily. It's called the Yana, I believe, pullover in small. And I really do like this one. I like the length of it. I like that you can put like a different shirt on underneath it, either white or black, to kind of change the color a little bit. You can wear it with leggings, so I'm pretty sure I'm keeping this one. But again, the one hesitancy I had was that kind of weird boxy front look. So again, I do really listen to your feedback, you guys. I do. So thank you for that. And last but not least, my most favorite item in the fix, which, oh, look at, I don't think I will actually wear that with this jersey, but this one is made by Bagatelle. It's called the Nia Faux Leather Moto Jacket in dark purple, size small, $98. Look at that cool lining though. Gosh. Yeah, so I'm not sure on this one. It just didn't seem to fit me right, and I love it so much. I might try to exchange for the size down just to see, but it felt like it fit right everywhere else. It was just kind of bulky at the bottom. So anyway, showing you guys, for those of you who might want to order this jacket, it is really cute and I like it, and I'm struggling a little bit, but if I don't love it, I don't want to pay that much money for it. So so that's everything, and once again, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. If you have not already done so, go ahead and subscribe. I do these videos solely for Stitch Fix. I do not do unboxings for anything else. This is just me showing you the clothes that I get in my fixes. Sometimes they work, sometimes they don't, and I just like to have the ability to show people what the clothes look like, and I love to watch other people do their videos too. So thanks so much for watching. Thanks for all your nice comments. You guys have been so wonderful and supportive, and I'm so thankful for you. So have a great rest of the day, and skål. Of course, black does draw a little bit more. We're gonna have to cut this out. Lint. Black draws more lint. Next is this sweater. Okay.